Sige na.
Antay kayo sa kanya. Alis ka sa harap. Alis din nasa harap. Okay, hands down. Okay, sarap. Face front. Sarap. Sungi. Jumbi. Ready. Downward block ready. Shout louder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper block ready. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Knife punch block ready. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sarap! Okay, yung po yung mga basic blockings. If you want to continue the training, ma'am, we have this, for this school year, we have NWF. Pero hindi ko po sila recommend to attend yung 3 times a week. Pinakamarami na po yung 2 times a week. It's either Monday or Wednesday lang po. Then after class, nag-start po kami 3 o'clock hanggang 6 p.m. Ngayon po, doon, depende sa paglabas nila sa school. Ako po, nandito lang ako, nag-schedule, yung po yung schedule na, regular schedule po yun for the school year. So, kung gusto po ninyong mag-continue, that would be free. Kasi yung fee na china-charge is only for summer. Pagdating po ng pasokan, free na po yun. So, if you want to continue, ma'am, punta lang po kayo dito. Together with that, meron po kayo dalang parents permit. Kasi po, ipapile ko yun, sasubmit ko din sa guidance office. Okay, charot! Ready, basic punching. Prepare. Ready, punching. Ready, 시작! 하나, 둘, 셋, 하나, 둘, 셋, 하나, 둘, 셋. One more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 셋. Ready. Now, this time, basic kickings, fighting stance. 시작! King's foot. Okay, ready. Axe kick. Go 1, 2, 3. King's foot. Ready. 1. Shout louder. 2, 3. King's foot. 45 kick. Go 1, 2, 3. King's foot. 1, 2, 3. King's foot. In out kick. Ready. Go 1. Check your distance. 2, 3. King's foot. Go 1. Louder. 2, 3. King's foot. Roundhouse kick. 1, 2, 3. King's foot. 1, 2, 3. King's foot. Okay, you need to shout louder. Jumping kick. Ready. Jumping front kick. Go 1. Ready. Prepare. 2. Ready. Prepare. 3. King's foot. Prepare. 2. Ready. 3. 6 분. 7. Okay, 중에. Okay, everyone, congratulations. Chapter end. Okay, and sit down. Sit down. Ma'am, yung certificate po, sa Friday na po ninyo makukuha. Andito pa rin naman po ako ng Friday. Ngayon po, yung Friday na yon, meron po kami practice kung gusto nyo practice yung bata. Pwede. This coming Friday. Tapos po, yung ibang pictures, ma'am, nandun sa Facebook ko. May mga footage po kami nung last week eh. Makikita po ninyo yung ibang pictures ng bata na lahat sila nakasimpa. So, ngayon ma'am, kung gusto nyo makuha yung email ko,